Dan Olds here. It's ISC Cluster Competition 2021, and we're talking to the team from NCKU from Taiwan. So let's have you introduce yourselves. Tim, why don't we start with you?
Okay, so first I'm the captain of the team NCKU.
Good job, Captain. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice work.
And I'm from the Department of Civil Engineering.
Okay.
And this is my first time to get into the field of higher performance computing. And I have a great experience through this competition. Yeah.
It's not easy stuff.
Yeah, it's
difficult.
Tough. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Lee, please introduce yourself and let us know what you did for the team.
Oh, okay. In this competition, I'm responsible for lamps. So in this process, we learned a lot about how to install or how to
compile.
And optimize the lamps. Yeah.
Very good.
And we learned maths about how to do with Linux or some supercomputer. Yeah.
Good job. How'd you do with it?
And
okay?
You mean in the process, how do we turn those
No, I mean,
optimization?
how well did it work out?
How well? I think I do a lot of things. I think in this process, I do think that I think it's pretty good. So
okay. Of
course, I still need a lot of things to turning or to optimizing.
Sure.
But so far, so good.
Good job. Well, good job. Let's learn about you a little bit. I think it's Butong.
Hey.
How are you?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Can hear you, can see you, all good.
Okay. My job is do coding challenge. HPCG.
How'd that work out? Was that pretty hard? Was it difficult?
Yeah, very difficult. Because we don't do it. It's my first time to do this. Yeah, so study many knowledge. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it was not easy. Most of the other teams said that was difficult too. So good job. Jeremy, how about you?
Yeah, I'm Jeremy, and I'm from the mechanical engineering department. And in this competition, I'm mainly responsible for WRF, which is the weather forecast one. And I think because that for like most of the teammates that we have no experience in like tuning any like parallel computing, like huge software that should be run on supercomputers, because that's not something that we can do on our personal computers.
Absolutely.
And so that's definitely a totally different experience that we have to learn from the beginning. And this time for like most of us, we have never used Linux. So we have to get used to the operating system and also the application that we are using. Yeah.
And all of the tools and things like that.
Yeah.
I mean, if it's your first experience, it's going to be hard.
Yeah, it is. But I think everyone got to the basic level, but we still got a lot of it. Especially me, I believe.
So everybody learned a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, at the very last few months. Yeah, but like first few months, it's like everyone's just wandering around, like how do I do this? And even we had going to a directory, we have to go Google like how to go to this directory and like how to set up variables. Yeah.
And so, are you one of the coaches for the team?
No.
Oh, you're one of the students.
Yeah, he's also.
Yes.
Okay, well, introduce yourself. Tell us what you did for the team.
I dropped in G-Power, and I see it's a very difficult, very difficult for me. And but in this time, I learned very more in this contest, and I think it's a very important.
你要进来吗？
It's a very important experience for me, and
Yes.
I'm glad to join this contest.
Did what do you guys think was the most difficult part of the competition? Which
Most difficult part, I think to install and
To install?
also yes, and I think the install is very difficult because we install the G-Power in NSCC, and I need two more, but I can get what I need to
for all the dependencies and things?
install. Yes.
What do you guys think was the most difficult application?
It's like
What?
we're not quite sure because we are actually each responsible for a single application. We don't know like how hard it is for the other one.
Well,
yeah,
which one of you complained the most about their application?
I think everybody. To be honest.
We think every application have its own difficulty.
But did you?
Yeah, like lamps. Yeah, it's easy to download and to compile with it, but if you want to optimize it, you have to Google many things.
Many Google.
You have many options to optimize that.
Yes.
Optimize it.
Now,
So,
did you
yeah,
all
yeah.
have fun?
Sure.
Kind
A little
of.
bit. Learning fun. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can say that.
Learning new thing, yeah.
Would you do it again?
We are going to do it again. Yeah.
Good. That's
the next
what we.
Singapore competition, yeah.
Oh, they have a competition in Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah, and another competition.
Yes.
Okay. Excellent.
The smaller one.
Okay. That's good. That's very good. Well, I want to thank you for taking the time for the interview. I really appreciate it. And good job on completing the competition. You should be proud of yourselves for that. And we'll see what happens in the award ceremony.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.